This integrated garment finishing system offers a comprehensive solution for professional laundry and dry cleaning operations. It consolidates multiple processes, including garment pressing, moisture extraction, fabric relaxation, and localized stain treatment, into a single, compact workstation. Designed for environments like small central laundries, alteration shops, and hotel laundry rooms, this unit addresses the need for efficiency and versatility in space-constrained settings, reducing the necessity for separate specialized equipment. The core advantage of this system lies in its integrated spotting capability. Beyond standard garment pressing, it functions as a dedicated workstation for localized stain treatment. Operators can utilize the built-in spotting module, complete with dedicated steam, air, and solvent applicators, alongside a spotting arm, to manage common garment issues directly. This unified approach streamlines the workflow, eliminating the need to transfer garments to a separate stain removal table and optimizing operator movement. Several key functions contribute to its operational effectiveness. The suction ironing capability firmly holds garments in place during pressing, facilitating efficient steam removal and rapid moisture extraction, which contributes to a crisp finish across a variety of fabrics from shirts to uniforms. Conversely, the blowing function creates an air cushion between the garment and the work surface. This is particularly beneficial for delicate materials, lined garments, or fabrics prone to marking, effectively minimizing shine marks, pressure points, and fabric distortion. The heated work surface accelerates moisture evaporation, enhancing the final finish quality and ensuring a stable temperature throughout operation. For stain treatment, the integrated spotting functionality provides a dedicated area for addressing adhesive residues, oil marks, and other localized discolorations. Operators can precisely apply cleaning agents using the solvent applicator, while the steam applicator aids in fabric relaxation and stain breakdown, and the air applicator assists in drying and residue removal. Furthermore, the system incorporates an integrated steam-water separation mechanism. This design minimizes condensed water output from the iron and steam tools, preventing potential water spots on finished garments and upholding fabric quality. This multifunctional workstation is ideally suited for a range of professional applications, including garment care businesses, uniform cleaning services, and small to medium-sized dry cleaning facilities. It provides a robust solution for operations requiring reliable ironing performance alongside the flexibility to handle occasional stain treatment and fabric touch-ups, without the investment and floor space commitment of a standalone spotting table. The system's design directly translates into measurable operational advantages. By combining ironing and spotting, it significantly reduces the required floor footprint. For new or expanding operations, this unified approach represents a lower equipment investment compared to procuring two distinct machines. This integration also enhances workflow efficiency by minimizing operator travel time between workstations. Ultimately, the combined functions of suction, blowing, heating, steam, and air work synergistically to improve overall garment finishing quality, ensuring consistent and professional results for everyday laundry tasks.